In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom spacing in Google Vids. Custom spacing is an essential aspect of document formatting that can enhance readability and overall presentation. Whether you're preparing a report, drafting an article, or setting up a document for personal or professional use, mastering custom spacing in Google Vids can significantly improve the appearance of your work. To start, let's navigate to Google Vids. If you're unsure where that is, simply search for Google Vids in your preferred web browser, or go directly to the Google workspace and select Vids from the Products menu. Google Vids integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Google suite, offering a familiar interface for those who've used Google Docs or Sheets. Once you've made it to the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to sign in. If you're not already logged into your Google account, click on the Sign In button located typically at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll be asked to choose the Google account you wish to use. If multiple accounts are linked to your device or browser, make sure to select the one related to the work you'll be doing. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Open the document you want to edit or create a new one to get started. For those needing to locate a specific document, the search functionality can be quite helpful. Now that your document is open, the next step is to highlight the text you plan to adjust. The beauty of Google Vids is its simplicity. Highlighting can be done by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, just as you would in any other text editing software. With your text selected, it's time to dive into formatting. Look for the Format menu in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you'll find a range of options to modify your document's appearance, but for now let's focus on customizing spacing. Navigate to the Line and Paragraph Spacing option within the Format menu. This is where you'll be able to adjust the spacing to meet your specific needs. Shortly after clicking it, a submenu will appear. From this submenu, select Custom Spacing. This selection opens a world of precision formatting that allows for the meticulous adjustment of spacing between lines and paragraphs. Once you're in the Custom Spacing menu, you'll see fields where you can enter the exact spacing you desire. This feature is especially useful if you're looking to adhere to specific formatting guidelines or simply experimenting to find what looks best. You have the freedom to set the line spacing to any value that suits your document's requirements, a feature that significantly enhances the flexibility and customization of your document formatting. After inputting your desired spacing values, the final step is to apply the changes. Look for the Apply button within the Custom Spacing menu. By clicking this, your specified settings will be implemented throughout the selected text, instantly altering the document's layout according to your preferences. Remember, the beauty of Google Vids and its customization features like custom spacing lies in the ability to experiment. If the applied changes don't look quite right, don't hesitate to revisit the custom spacing menu and adjust the settings again until you find the perfect balance for your document. To recap, navigating to Google Vids and signing in, selecting the document of choice, highlighting the specific text for adjustment, accessing the Format menu, choosing line and paragraph spacing, selecting custom spacing, entering the desired specifications, and finally applying these changes are the straightforward steps to mastering custom spacing in Google Vids. Understanding how to adjust custom spacing is more than just a minor skill. It's a crucial part of presenting your document in the best possible way. Whether for academic, professional, or personal purposes, the ability to fine-tune the appearance of your work can make a significant difference in how it's received. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to expertly adjust custom spacing in Google Vids. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and encourages you to explore more ways to enhance your documents. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital document creations.